Hi, my name is Adam and this is the Y Home series. Today we're gonna do a cardio alternative when you're at home and you have either 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. This workout will be 10 minutes, but if you have more time, just do it a couple times. Normally cardio would be more long-term movement where you can comfortably talk, let's say on a bike or running. This is just if you're limited in space and limited with your time outside. So the idea is that we will do 5 exercises, 2 rounds of those, and keep moving for all those 10 minutes. There are no breaks, but those exercises are not extreme. So you should be able to keep moving for those 10 minutes. So we're gonna start with squats. All you need is a body weight. There are no weights involved. If you have any, maybe keep them on the side for this workout because it is mostly for the cardio. So we're not really working on the strength that much. I will start the timer and we're gonna go for 1 minute of squats. Again, this is also not a high intensity workout, so you can go quite slowly, so you're still able to talk, which will be a nice difference today, that I'll be able to talk throughout the whole workout, hopefully. And again, it's 5 exercises, 2 rounds with no breaks. So we're gonna be done in 10 minutes. Unless you have more time, and then you can go back to the beginning and do it again. Maybe do 3 rounds. 15 seconds left. After this one, we're gonna switch to good mornings. There's still 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. I'll go from the side so you can see it better. So back is straight, sending hips back and back up. Should feel it in your hamstrings and in your lower back. This workout is focused on legs. Then we're gonna do the same thing for upper body and then a full body one. So make sure to check out the other videos to get the most out of it. 15 seconds to go. After this one, we're gonna move to reverse lunges, alternating legs. 3, 2, 1. So then stepping back, up, and the other one, I'll again do it from the side. So make sure that you're not leaning forward. You don't want to go like this, but the knee goes down. You don't have to slam it on the floor, just slightly above. Just like that, always exhaling on the way up. It's very important during this workout to don't forget to breathe. Still 15 seconds to go. Just like you wouldn't go for a run outside without breathing. You wouldn't run very far. 3, 2, 1, switching to side lunges, again alternating sides. You might be able to go a little bit lower on the side than I can. It's because my hips mobility. But it is something that I'm working on. So everyone will find out that you're better in some things and there are some limitations. It's important not to focus just on the things that you're good at, but also working on the weaknesses to eliminate them. 15 seconds. Then we're gonna finish the first round with calf raises. 3, 2, 1, and up on your toes, back down. And again, there will be no break after this round. We're just gonna go straight to a second round. The idea is to keep moving. It is just 10 minutes, so hopefully you won't be struggling much with continuing with no break. If you need to, or if you need to get some water, just try to keep the break to minimum and then keep going again. "15 seconds left. And then back to squats. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll do the squats on the side again so you can see the movement. I'm sending my hips back, sitting down and back up. If you've seen any of my workouts before, there's a high chance of you seeing me doing squat. So hopefully you have the movement mastered now. It is one of the basic ones. And again, you might be able to go a little bit lower. "15 seconds to go. I have a small daughter, and the way she does squat, it's kind of annoying to me because she can't even speak, but she does a perfect squat. It is a natural thing we do. And switching to good mornings. Keeping the back straight the whole time. You can have your knees bent a little bit, but otherwise the whole movement is in your hips. "15 seconds left. Then again, reverse lunges. Three, 2, 1, and stepping back and alternating sides. You might notice that you're more stable on one leg than the other one. For me, I'm more stable when I'm standing on my left leg. But it happens. That's why it's good when you go to the gym doing exercises for each side. So in my case, if I was doing heavy squats, I use my left leg mostly. So that's why I like to also do some single side exercises, and I make sure that I work on both sides equally. 15 seconds to go. This will be followed by side lunges. Three, 2, 1. And then we're gonna finish with calf raises. I said it a bunch of times, I will say it again. If you have more time, add an extra round or 2 rounds and just keep going. You're gonna get even more out of it. There's nothing wrong with that. Just remember, the idea is not to go as fast as you can, but for as long as you can without needing a break. "15 to go. 3, 2, 1, and let's finish with calf raises. So you can see all it takes is 10 minutes. You can do this in the morning, anytime during your lunch break. Whenever you find 10 minutes, it's way better than not doing anything during the day. And you will feel way better and way more accomplished. So that's all it takes. There is 15 seconds left. And then we can rest for a little bit. 3, 2, 1. So that's it for this 10-minute workout. It's very easy to do. It's not meant to destroy you in those 10 minutes. It's really just to get you moving, and follow Y Home for more workouts. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again.